Hi everyone, today we will learn how to write a Java program which will swap two numbers. As you can see on the screen, I have variable A where I have stored 2 and in variable B I have stored 7. So they will be interchanged and finally A will have 7 and B will have 2. Okay, before learning a Java program for swapping, we must know what is actually swapping. Swapping means interchanging values between two variables. Here, I have two integer variables A and B. 2 is stored in A and 7 is stored in B. And if you interchange these values, what will happen? A would be 7 and B would be 2. Then what would be the procedure for swapping? You people will say, I will declare two variables, int A is equal to 2 and B is equal to 7, and then A would be B's value and B would be A's value, and my work will be done. No dear, this is not the right process for swapping. Let's see how to swap two numbers. Before writing a swapping program, you must keep in mind that when a new value is assigned to a variable, the previous value is lost. In figure 1.1, I have three columns A, B and output. A is having 7, B 2. So if I print these two variables, A would be 7 and B would be 2. Now, if I assign B's value to A and A's value to B for interchanging, then what would be the picture? You can see figure 1.2, the table that is shown here is having three columns A, B and output. In column A, I had 7 and in B I had 2. Now if I exchange the values, and for that if I have written A is equal to B, that means B's value will come in A. So when 2 comes here, 7 goes off. I have struck out 7. So present situation is what? A is having 2 and B is also having 2. Now then if you write B is equal to A, so what you had in A? You had 2. 2 goes again to B. So it looks like A is having 2 and B is also 2. That means swapping is not done. For swapping, you need an extra variable. Let us see the algorithm for swapping. Input two variables A and B. Print the content of the variables A and B to see before swapping what they have. And the third step is to exchange or to swap. Here I have to use another variable called temp. So first what you are doing, temp is equal to A is equal to B and B is equal to temp. Why? We are first shifting A's value to temp. So value of A is safe in temp. Otherwise it will be overwritten. To avoid that, I am shifting the value of A to temp. Now if you assign B's value to A, then A will be 2. And if B is equal to temp, it means B is equal to 7 because 7 you had in temp and temp had what? A's value. That means B is equal to temp means B is equal to 7. Then you would like to see after swapping what is the content, what are the contents that you have in A and B. So you are printing A and B and finally you are ending the program. So all of you have understood what is swapping. Now this is actually a Java code written in BlueJ. Public class swapping, and then you have a main method where you have two variables, integer variables, a as 8 and b as 10, and the third variable also you have to introduce, which is initially 0. Then you are printing the value of a and b before swapping, and you see I have given a comment where I have written temp is equal to a is equal to b, and b is equal to temp. These three lines, you are actually swapping the values, and the last two lines you are printing the values of a and b after swapping, and then you are closing the method and the class. Do compile and run the program. This is the output of the program that I have just written for swapping. Thank you so much for watching this video. Keep watching and keep programming, and of course do subscribe for all my latest videos. Thank you so much.